Thanks a lot. So let us move to our another next B member, Ruchi Srivastav. She is from Mumbai, and she also has lovely products. Her brand name is Vedi. Ruchi, can we please have you online? Ladies, please be, and one more important thing, ladies, please maintain the timing. When I say 2, that means you have more 2 minutes. When I say this, that means the time is over. Okay. Thank you, Ruchi. Your time starts now.
Hi, my name is Ruchi Srivastav. I'm owner of Vedi, Nature's Natural Beauty Products. See, this is my all products. Just a minute. This is my all products. Start with body washes. This is flaxseed body wash with charcoal. This is triple haldi body wash, orange papaya, green tea, chocolate, coffee, herbal, vitamin C, red clay. This is almond kesar body wash plus face wash. फिर रेड वाइन, बच्चों के लिए भी आलमंड केसर बॉडी वॉश है. दिस इज स्ट्रेट बॉडी वॉश. हर्बल, दिस इज लैवेंडर एंड सोप्स, परफ्यूम्स, किड सोप्स, डोरेमोन सोप, almond kesar soap, red wine soap. This is my unique product. Triple butter and triple malai with 24 karat gold. This is skin whitening, aloe vera. This is orange, sandalwood, green tea, and chamomile soap, Upton soap. This is 100% pure sandalwood soap. Face washes, Kumkum Adi face wash with 100% pure silver. Saundarya face wash for hyperpigmentation problem skin. Manjishta face wash for oily acne pimple problem skin. Upton face wash for all. This is my anti-dandruff patchouli shampoo for. This is hibiscus shampoo, Bringraj shampoo for kids, for her and for him. Conditioner, sanitizers, hand wash, body oil. My face oil for oily skin, face oil for normal to dry skin, Kumkum Adi Telam. And this is my 24 karat gold face oil. Lip balms, rose, orange, coffee, and green tea. This is my pure silver body oil. Face creams, face and body scrubber, rose. I have lots of gift hamper also. See, this is Kumkum Adi, पूरा का पूरा collection Kumkum Adi का है. Kumkum Adi face wash, Kumkum Adi Telam, Kumkum Adi soap and perfume. दूसरा is totally customized. तो दूसरा मैंने जो बनाया हुआ है वो है रेड वाइन बॉडी वॉश, मॉइस्चराइजर, रेड वाइन सोप एंड परफ्यूम. इस तरीके से बहुत सारी चीजों के हम गिफ्ट हैम्पर बना सकते हैं. See this is Upton. तो Upton का भी गिफ्ट हैम्पर बना सकते हैं. Upton बॉडी वॉश, Upton soap and dry form Upton I have also. This one. इन सब का मिला के भी एक अच्छा हैम्पर रेडी किया जा सकता है. I have this type of pouches also, जिसमें आप छोटे मोटे सोप्स के या किसी चीज के भी आप हैम्पर किसी को गिफ्ट करना चाहते हैं तो वो दे सकते हैं. This is my moisturizer. I have almond kesar moisturizer. I have rose and ये क्या नाम है इसका? Lots of hand washes also. I have product for kids, men's, women, सबके लिए है. Totally customized है. Natural products है. There is no chemical at all. 100% safe. And that. Yeah.
So thank you, Ruchi. Wonderful. 1 minute. Just come to your standee. We come to in front of the standee. Thank you so much, Ruchi. So we will also get Ruchi's products on v-online.com. So next we have Shimul Bhatt from Mumbai. J Jodas. Her brand name is J Joda.
Okay, hi everyone. Good morning, and thanks a lot, Chaitali, for giving this platform to showcase my products. I'm very grateful to her. So my name is Shimul, and my brand name is J Jodas Impacts. Basically, I'm into home decor products. So today I'm offering a great deal on the bedspreads and the quilts. So I'm offering a huge discount on that. And also on the bed sheets, everything, whatever you are ordering today, it will be totally shipping free. So I'll just show you my products. If you can see this, can everyone see that? Yeah, it's a hand block one. It's a hand block comforters with a gold print, totally camel, and you can see the border also. It is very beautiful. This is a comforter, and its MRP is 5,500. Today I'm offering only for 3,750. You can see the beautifulness of this camel. Then more bedspreads. What I have is this patchwork. This is directly from the artisans. You can see that this is a bedspread come quilt. You can use both the way. It's a reversible one. इसको आप ओढ़ भी सकते हैं और आप बेड पे बिछा भी सकते हैं. And this all are machine washable. Color is very much fast. You can see this. It's a very pretty one. Then one thing is I have a Mughal print. This is also a bedspread come comforters. This is all reversible. Both way you can use this. I also have a bed sheet for the same, so you can have the matching one. One more is the kalamkari. You can see the kalamkari print. This is also the bedspread come quilt. Both way you can use. And these all are the machine washable. It has a mix and match designs. And this is all full size 90 by 108. Also, I do have the hand block bed sheets, which are very beautiful. It is a very big size also, and this all are made by the artisans. It is from the blocks, and this all bed sheets are from Rajasthan. Also, there is one more print is the mandala. Mandala always increases the focus and meditation. So you can always use these bed sheets even at your home decor, and even it is very good for the kids also. This all are color fast, and I have a very beautiful prints in this mandala. You can see that. This all are the mandala colors. I have the red one also, which is very pretty. Also, I do have the pleated bed sheets. The pleated bed sheets is with the elastics one.
These are with the elastic, so it can be customized with the king size and the queen size. Also, there is a bedspread with 2 pillow covers, with 2 cushion covers, and the full silk ka bedspread hai. So you can use this at the very festive seasons. This all MRP is 2,500. Today I'm offering only for 1,850 with shipping free. You can see that it's a silk one with a lining also. It has a lining backside. Also, my another best selling product is the dohars. Very soft cotton dohar. You can see this. It is also reversible with a different print. And these all are machine washable, very much lightweight, pure cotton, and very good for traveling also. So you can use this dohars. In this, I have a single and double dohar sizes. I also do have a king size bedsheet. That is a full jumbo size. It comes 9 by 9 feet. Also, you can see there's a very beautiful collection of the Chidiya print. This is also known as a Mughal print bedsheet. And this is just in rupees 850 and shipping is free. In this also, I have a lot of more colors. And the last but not the least is the patchwork bedsheet. This even Chaitali ma'am knows this bedsheet very well. So it is a full, you can say that patches. It's like an embroidery. So it comes all over the bedsheet, this kind of an embroidery. And it is very good as a bedspread also, and at the same time as a bedsheet also. Both way you can use this. This way you can see that. It is a very beautiful female picture. It's an embroidery patch. So these all are from artisans and the Rajasthani. Also, I do have an indigo bedsheets. At present, I don't have that, but indigo bedsheets, they are also all of blue color, and everything is machine washable and the color is fast. So I'll just show you all my collection. These all are the dohars. So my number is 9820772790. You can connect to me. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Chaitanya.
1 second, 1 second. Wait. So thank you, Shimul. So ladies, I must say that each of you who have till now shown the product and who are coming, everybody's product. I have used Ruchi's product, beautiful body wash and face wash I'm using. Vaishali, I am purchasing, I'm going to purchase Rakhi from you. Seema, of course, many products I've already mentioned, which I'm using of hers. Shimul's, yes, as she said, the patchwork bed sheets I have purchased from her. Anindita Banerjee from Nagpur, I have purchased earrings and various other sets from her. So now next we will definitely get all these products on b-online.com.